The benevolent king of the urban jungle exceedingly impressed us with its manners, but now it was time for the all-new Creta to stretch its legs and take things forward a notch. Once out of the city limits of Mumbai, the route leading to Lonavala comprises of well-paved highways and a few sections of winding roads. It's an immersive experience that allows for the drivers to experience their cars in their natural backdrops. The realization becomes stronger as you climb up the steep inclination with breathtaking views on either side. The all-new Creta took this opportunity to showcase some of its key strengths outside the urban jungle. It surely grabs eyeballs thanks to the striking DRLs, which leave a lasting impression. Its road presence is accentuated by the bold dual-tone body color, and the sloping roofline gives it an air of sophistication. The C-shaped tail lamps add great character to the rear, and the large insignia across the boot lid ensures this isn't mistaken for anything else. Its bold and muscular design language is further underlined by those 17-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels. The rich and premium dual-tone dashboard greets you along with the ultra-modern startup animation, and the thoroughly refined BS6 compliant powertrains pass on the least amount of vibrations or noise whilst delivering punchy and responsive performance throughout. The sky was pitch dark with almost no hint of daybreak, but the all-new Creta ensured that the roads ahead were well illuminated. It comes equipped with gleamingly bright tri-element all-LED headlamps, and the mellow suspension guaranteed a plush and soft ride over the undulations and potholes. The seats themselves submerge the occupants in while providing a commanding view of the road ahead. With the advanced Blue-Link connected suite, you can exhibit sorcery skills every time you say the magic words, "Hello Blue-Link." It wakes up the onboard personal assistant to help you with directions to the nearest fuel pump or even open the sunroof. Taking time off from the urban chaos and isolating ourselves amidst the serene arena helped connect with our thoughts and inner selves. It also allowed us to submerge into our favorite tunes. The Bose premium sound system with its punchy and clear music output made us want to endlessly hum to our favorite track all day long. Bidding goodbye to such a beautiful setting is the most difficult part, to say the least. But owing to the new normal, we had to head back to ensure no norms were desecrated. While the thought of returning was desponding, the notion of driving the all-new Creta back gave us a gleeful chuckle. And even as the skies were layered with inky clouds, the all-new Creta roared ahead whilst ferrying us with utmost dignity and comfort. The king has established its dominion over nature while expeditiously navigating through the clouds, and how.